Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply both sides by x. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We know that ln AB equals to ln A plus ln B. So this one that is about ln x plus ln y. So we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y in here. First the derivative of y, we have number 1. So we have 1 over x. We have dy. So we do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we just have only ln x. First derivative of ln x, we have 1 over x. So we see that this one is equal to this one. That is about exact. Now I need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. I will choose about this one in here, and that's about dx plus gsy. So the integration of 1 over x, we have y ln x. The integration of 2x, we have x squared. Next, we do first derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. So first derivative of y, we have number 1. So we have ln x. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. And we know that this one is equals to this one, or maybe this one in here. Now we need to simplify ln x for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of number 1, we have y. So we just concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln y. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to dy over y. dv, we have dy. The integration of this one, we have v equals to y. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration dy. So this one we have y and we put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So y minus y we cancel. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy, and 3sy equals to this one. So we change this one in here. And we know that this one equals to this one, and this one equals to c. So we just simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.